Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best monitors for CAD for any budget, that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the BenQ Mobiuz EX3210U. The BenQ Mobiuz EX3210U is the perfect picture of what you should look for in a CAD monitor. The 32-inch IPS panel runs software in sharp, bright 4K UHD at a smooth 144 Hz with a snappy 1 millisecond response time for minimal input lag. In addition, the monitor uses brightness intelligence technology to automatically detect both screen content and environment lighting and then adjust the screen's brightness and color temperature. This eye care feature helps to reduce eye strain and headaches. Plus, the monitor has an ergonomic design that can tilt from -5 to 15 degrees and swivel from -15 to 15 degrees. Moving on at number 4, we have the MSI Oculux NXG253R. As a rule, we recommend large monitors for CAD use. However, if you have limited space and you're working on a limited budget, the 25-inch MSI Oculux NXG253R delivers rich, vibrant colors and has many of the other features you'd want and need. This 25-inch rapid IPS panel offers a ridiculously quick 360 Hz refresh rate, the fastest you can get right now, along with 1 millisecond response time and NVIDIA G-Sync support. It's made for esports but would work well as a monitor for designers if a larger screen isn't an option. At number 3, we have the Asus ROG Swift PG279QM. The Asus ROG Swift PG279QM is sharp and sharp-looking. The stylish 27-inch, 1440p display isn't the largest or most pixel-dense option, but it offers incredible color accuracy, 97% DCI-P3 wide color gamut and 150% sRGB color space coverage, offering bright, vibrant colors and precision in your designs. With an esports-grade 240 Hz refresh rate, games and models will animate smoothly. The monitor is also designed to be easy on the eyes. It uses flicker-free technology and has 4 different filter settings to control blue light reduction levels. It's also one of the very few monitors with a fully adjustable stand, allowing you to tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust its height to get the perfect viewing position. It also rotates vertically, making it great for reviewing code or simply allowing you to save even more space in a pinch. At number 2, we have the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. If you prefer the idea of using one super ultra-wide monitor over 2 separate monitors, Samsung's largest ultra-wide gaming monitor, the Odyssey Neo G9 pulls out all the stops. The curved, 49-inch panel provides almost double the screen real estate of a 27-inch display. With a QLED panel and 2048 local dimming zones, it offers one of the brightest displays you'll find, 2000 nits of bold projection. It's also highly accurate, showing 125% sRGB and 95% DCI color coverage. It's fast, too, topping out at 240 Hz and a 1 millisecond response time. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G9 is bigger than big, and has a price tag to match. It's a spectacular display, though, if you're willing to pay for the privilege. And finally at number 1, we have the LG UltraGear 34GL750B. The LG 34GL750B is another great curved ultra-wide monitor that, at 34 inches, might feel a little more reasonable for folks who balk at the idea of clearing off their desks for a 49-inch display. The 21:9 curved IPS display still gives you plenty of real estate and the curvature provides an immersive experience that helps you focus on what you're doing and avoid distractions. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, G-Sync compatibility, and a 1 millisecond response time, your models should animate smoothly.
Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.